Welcome to the weekend. Let's talk winds, which will tend to be on the strong side this weekend. This particular forecast model, the American model, showing that winds will be easterly and sustained around 20 for much of Saturday around Broward, Miami-Dade, and the Keys. And then around midnight, we see those winds dropping just below 20 miles per hour. So perhaps the breeze relaxing a bit on Sunday. So here's the bottom line in the 7-day forecast. We're calling Saturday windy as clouds mix with the sunshine, the rain chance staying on the lower side, forecasting high temperatures to reach the upper 70s. We're calling Sunday breezy with rain coming in late. There's a weather system evolving over the Gulf of Mexico that brings us rain on Sunday. Ahead of that system, we could have our high temperatures reaching the low 80s, and then Monday near 80 after some rain passes early Monday associated with the system. And then overnight Monday into Tuesday morning, cooler air filters in on a northerly wind, and we have low temperatures perhaps dropping off into the 50s for Tuesday morning and highs near 70. So that's the forecast. Have a fantastic weekend, everybody, and good luck with those winds. The rip current risk is high, and there's a small craft advisory for boaters. Have a great one.